Okay, in this video, we are going to explore the idea of a concept called Face Me. As you can see, all of these objects, the plants, as I rotate, they're facing the camera. But this one right here doesn't have that property set. So as you can see, it becomes kind of like a flat image if I rotate around it. You can see these others are kind of rotating with me. The reason we want flat objects, some of these are 3D. You can see that if I go into plan view, this one here. But we don't want too many of those heavier digital models. They start to slow things down a lot. So one of the great things about using the Face Me concept is that you can use these flat images that are a lot lighter. So they won't weigh your model down as much, but they'll always, no matter where you set your camera, they'll always kind of like look like three-dimensional objects in the round. So it's really simple. I have here an object I've just copied and pasted it in. You can see it's a flat image. It doesn't face the camera, so we're gonna change that real quickly. I'm gonna right click on it, and I don't have the option to make it a component yet because it's not yet a group. First, I'm gonna have to make it a group, then I get to make it a component. So I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna hit Command G and I'm gonna make it a group. See how it became kind of like a square object there. Undo it. See, it's just a selected piece of geometry. Command G becomes a group. Now I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to hit make component. And when it pulls up with this make component, it'll give me an option to name it. We'll name this lavender. And then I'm not going to give it a description right now. Set component axes is here. So right now, the green, red, and blue are kind of at the edge. I think I want to change that to the middle of this, but first I'm going to select this box that says always face camera, shadows face sun. So that will give me an opportunity to have this always face the camera. And then I'm going to set the component axis. I want this to be in the middle because if I don't set it in the middle, that means that it's going to be rotating from this point over here. And I want this to just kind of be dead center. So I'm going to set that here, see how it kind of sticks, and it gives me an option to do a different red axis. I want it to stay with the true axes of the rest of the model. And green is kind of behind it. And then I'm just going to hit create. So now you can see that it rotates with the model. And there you have it. And if you copy paste this into another model, it will do the same thing.